Are you tired of seeing low view counts on your YouTube videos? Want to go from just 27 views in the last 30 days to a staggering 1 million views in just 48 hours? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of skyrocketing your YouTube views with complete SEO strategies. Here's what we'll cover. Understanding YouTube SEO basics. Crafting irresistible titles and thumbnails. Utilizing tags and descriptions effectively. Engaging with your audience for better retention. Leveraging analytics to refine your strategy. Ready to transform your channel and increase your views like never before? Let's get started. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert tips and tricks. Open YouTube, then open YouTube Studio to set up your channel. Click on Customization. This is a section of the layout of your channel. This is Video Spotlight. The Video Spotlight section in YouTube Studio is a feature that allows creators to highlight specific videos on their channel. For new visitors, you can set a specific video to be shown to people who are visiting your channel for the first time. For returning subscribers, you can highlight a different video for your existing subscribers, such as your latest upload or a video relevant to ongoing trends or channel updates. To organize your YouTube channel effectively, create different sections based on the type of content you offer. General knowledge, display educational content on various topics, like trivia or history. These sections make it easy for viewers to find what they're interested in and keep your channel organized. The purpose of a video watermark on YouTube is to enhance your channel's branding and increase subscriber engagement. It adds a small, clickable image, like your logo, to your videos, which helps viewers recognize your brand and allows them to easily subscribe to your channel by clicking the watermark. The Basic Info section in YouTube Studio is where you set up key details about your channel. This includes channel name, the name of your channel, which represents your brand. Channel description, a brief summary of what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. Language, the primary language used in your videos. Links, you can add links to your website, social media, or other relevant sites that will appear on your channel's banner. These details help viewers understand your channel and find relevant content more easily. Now, setting up your channel. This is a general section. You can set up which currency YouTube will pay you. The channel section in YouTube Studio settings has three main tabs: Basic Info, Advanced Settings, and Feature Eligibility. Here's a breakdown of each. 1. Basic Info. Country of residence. Choose the country where you're based. This helps YouTube tailor certain features and content recommendations based on your location. Keywords. Add relevant keyword to describe your channel's content. These keywords help YouTube understand your niche and improve your channel's visibility in search results. For example, keywords like tech, graphic design, YouTube tips, and education help categorize your content for better discoverability. 2. Advanced settings. Audience. Specify if your channel is made for kids or not. This is important for compliance with COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. You can set it as yes, no, or let me decide for each video. Automatic captions. You can enable or disable the automatic generation of captions for your videos. This is useful for accessibility. Add preferences. Set your preferences for showing ads on your channel, particularly regarding sensitive content. Disable interest-based ads. You have the option to turn off interest-based ads, which are ads tailored to viewers' browsing history and activity on YouTube. 3. Feature eligibility. Default features. These are the basic features like uploading videos, creating playlists, and adding collaborators. Most channels have access to these by default. The Upload Defaults section in YouTube Studio lets you set automatic defaults for new video uploads, including title and description, pre-fill templates for consistency. Visibility, set videos to public, unlisted, private, or scheduled by default. Tags, add default tags to help with search visibility. Audience, choose whether videos are made for kids. Comments and ratings, set default comment and like/dislike settings. Monetization, configure ad settings for monetized channels. These defaults save time and ensure consistency across your uploads. Now, go to ChatGPT for SEO of your video. Upload your video thumbnail to ChatGPT and write this prompt. ChatGPT will provide you title, tags, description with hashtags and give you additional tips. There's a tool RapidTags.io that will give you best trending tags for your YouTube video now. Go ChatGPT and copy the title and paste to Rapid Tags. Rapid Tags will provide you best tags. You can also use it to your video.